Did you know smoking kills more people each year than car accidents, alcohol, and drugs combined? Ever wonder why people willingly set fire to their money and inhale the fumes? Let's dive into the smoky world of cigarettes to find out why smoking is a thing and what it actually does to your body. Spoiler alert, it's a wild ride of temporary highs and long-term lows. So here's the deal. Smoking is kind of amazing, and yes, I know that's a controversial thing to say. But if we're going to talk about it, let's be real. Smoking creates a temporary problem and then solves it instantly. When you get hooked on nicotine, your brain gets all itchy, nervous, and stressed if it doesn't get its fix. One puff though, and bam, you feel great. It's like a mini vacation for your brain. But wait, there's more. Smoking isn't just a physical addiction. It may help you focus at work, gives you an excuse to take breaks, and makes bad moments less bad and good moments even better. Plus, it's social. Smokers always have a group to hang out with. It's like an exclusive club, minus the hefty membership fee. Now let's light up the science behind smoking. A cigarette is basically dried tobacco leaves mixed with chemicals that help it burn slowly. When you light it up, you inhale a cocktail of gases like carbon dioxide and water vapor, plus particles known as tar, the magic sauce. These particles pass through your throat, trachea, and into your lungs, where the real action happens. Your lungs are like big, inflatable sponges, with cilia cells that have tiny hair-like extensions covered in mucus. These are your body's bouncers, keeping out the bad stuff. But when tar gets in there, it turns into a sticky mess, paralyzing the cilia and letting the gunk dive deeper into your lungs. Nicotine then rushes into your bloodstream, hitting your brain faster than your ex's rebound relationship. Before we light up the next cigarette, give us a like if you enjoyed the video so far. Smoking is like giving your brain a VIP pass to an all-access party. Nicotine hits your brain, releasing epinephrine and cortisol, making your heart beat faster. Dopamine makes you feel happy and relaxed, while beta endorphins reduce pain and stress. It's like pressing all the buttons on your brain's control board at once. Everything lights up, and you feel amazing. But here's the catch. Your brain tries to return to normal, and once the nicotine wears off, you're left feeling worse than before. So, you need another hit, and another. That's how nicotine hooks you. You stop feeling normal without it. And then there's the entourage of chemicals like cadmium, lead, arsenic, and cyanide, causing all sorts of chaos in your body. Carbon monoxide reduces how much oxygen your blood can carry, making your heart work overtime. Your skin ages faster, your immune system gets sluggish, and your body's constantly stressed. Smoking has immediate, noticeable effects on your teeth and lips. In the short term, smokers often experience yellowing or browning of their teeth due to the tar and nicotine in cigarettes, which quickly adhere to the enamel. This discoloration is accompanied by bad breath, as the chemicals in tobacco linger in the mouth and reduce saliva production, causing dryness. Smokers may also notice increased plaque and tartar buildup, leading to more frequent dental issues. Additionally, smoking constricts blood vessels in the lips, reducing blood flow and leading to dryness and cracking, while the heat and chemicals from cigarettes can cause the lips to darken and develop fine lines and wrinkles prematurely. Over time, smoking leads to COPD, where your lungs are so damaged that breathing becomes a struggle. Your blood vessels get clogged with fats, leading to heart disease, and your chances of a heart attack or stroke skyrocket. And let's not forget cancer. You flood your body with cancer-causing chemicals while paralyzing the part of your immune system that fights cancer. It's a double whammy. Ultimately, smoking shaves an average of 10 years off your life. Imagine all the Netflix series you could binge in that time. But it's not just about living longer, it's about living healthier. The more you smoke, the worse your quality of life gets, with chronic sickness becoming your new normal. So, why don't smokers just quit? It's not that simple. Nicotine is one of the most addictive substances out there. The physical addiction lasts around 3 days, but the psychological addiction? That can stick around for years, tied to social cues and habits. Most people start smoking as teenagers, thanks to the tobacco industry targeting vulnerable brains. But here's the good news. Quitting smoking can significantly improve your health, no matter how long you've been smoking. People who quit by age 35 usually live just as long as non-smokers. And even if you're older, quitting can still add years to your life. It's like with climate change, every bit counts, even if the damage has already been done. Think you can quit smoking? Leave a comment below with your why, and let's hold each other accountable. Together, we can beat this addiction. There are tons of resources available to help you on your journey. Check out the links in the description for some helpful tools and support groups. Remember, smoking only solves a temporary problem, but creates a bunch of permanent ones. And if you never start, you never have to worry about quitting. The tobacco industry spends billions of dollars every year marketing cigarettes, often targeting young people. Don't be fooled by that. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more engaging, fact-based content. Stay curious, stay healthy, and remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to making informed choices about your habits.